Hello, everyone, and welcome. A very unexpected package arrived today. I was expecting it later, but it arrived late today. But the box is so big and there's so much in it, there's not enough room on the table to do a traditional on camera unboxing. So I've got it down here and I'm going to show each item one at a time. First item, an American lock, probably an 1100. So, let's see what color it is. It's a blue one and it's got a key. Bidding doesn't look too bad. Oh, by the way, this latest acquisition is from Gabriel. What is this? Bravado Spice. Oh boy! We talked about this. I almost forgot. Oh, you know what? This could be something for a challenge, an upcoming challenge. Bravado Spice Company, Ghost Pepper Blueberry Hot Sauce. Definitely going to try that. I love hot stuff. I'm going to do something fun with that. You can guarantee that. I'm going to have to whip up something, cook up some kind of idea for that. No pun intended. Let's see what else is in here. Another bottle. Oh, geez. Oh, boy. What is this? What did you send me, Gabriel? What the hell is this? Bacon, aioli, squeeze, garnishing sauce. Oh, yeah. I'm going to have to cook something. Whoop. Here. Let the camera get a good look at that. Oh, yeah. My culinary juices are flowing now. I'm going to have to whip up some kind of cool recipe for that and maybe even make a video. Ah. Lots of packing material. By the way, when you people, all of the people that have sent me stuff, I keep all that packing material. Whoa, whatever I just picked up is a chunky bastard. Holy shit. What, pray tell, is in this? Good God. Gabriel, what the hell, man? Holy shit, it's just falling out of here. Oh, wow. More dimple locks. I don't know what that is. Another Lotto lock. And another Mako. Oh, good. Oh, I've got my very own Mako. Bidding doesn't look too bad. Oh, wow. What is this? I'm going to have fun with messing with that. Tumbler. Looks like... Oh, this looks like a custom job. Yeah, this is a multi-log. Oh, this is a dimple log. Yep. Oh, okay. I got a little gizmo there. I'm not even close to being finished yet. Holy moly. Here's another little, that keyway looks pretty good. Got some age to it. Set that aside there. Here's one I haven't heard of. Brady. That does not look like an easy pick. Oh my goodness. No key. An excellent packing job. I mean, he really packed a lot in here. J. Gabriel, you are a master Tetris package man. Is this more culinary stuff? Looks like it. What is this? Yeah, I'm gonna have to get into the kitchen and cook something with this stuff. This looks like more hot sauce. Seed Ranch Smoky Ghost Hot Sauce. Yeah, I love hot stuff. Summer's coming. Time to break out the barbecue. Well, spring's coming. Maybe the weather will be warm enough in spring to break out the barbecue. And last but more food item. What is this? Hot pepper bacon grill and wing sauce. Oh yeah, we're definitely having a barbecue this summer. Can't wait to try this stuff. Oh wow. Running out of room here. Whoa. What is this? Moon pie? Is this an edible? J. Gabriel, this is definitely one of the most interesting packages I've ever received. Beads. Lots and lots and lots of beads. Oh, there's a message here. Sous Mardi Gras 2024 Mobile L and poker chip with sticker. So in here is a poker chip with a sticker. Carefully open it. I don't want to damage it. Oh, these are nice. Wait, I ran out of room quick. This is J. Gabriel's poker chip. Ain't that a beauty? And here's the reverse side. Fuck! I guess you could say, fuck, that's a lot of locks. Really cool, man. That's my second poker chip. There's a sticker. Here's another sticker. That one's really cool. And here's another one with a black trim. I must say this is definitely the most fun and interesting unboxing I've ever done. I've got food and locks and stickers and a poker chip and some kind of munchable here. Moon pie. Since 1917, the original marshmallow sandwich. Huh. Thanks, J. Gabriel. I really appreciate it. Now instead of picking locks, I got cooking duty. Awesome. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, everybody. Goodbye.